Hello everyone! Are you seeking a creative hobby? Join me on my Patreon to access my exclusive step-by-step and easy-to-follow video tutorials on pine needle basketry. These videos will guide you through creating your basket from start to finish. Additionally, you can join our community chat to ask questions, share your progress, or simply admire the photos of completed baskets. To facilitate your journey, I've prepared a starter kit available on my Etsy shop, Distinctive You. Furthermore, if you join the $7 tier of my Patreon, you'll enjoy a 10% discount on all my pine needle basket materials available on Etsy. You can find my Patreon and Etsy links in the comment section. See you there!